This is my welding helmet. It's 15 years old, and it finally stopped working. Right, it's auto-darkening, and it's got the solar panel on it, so it heats up and that. And so what happens is it doesn't have any replacement batteries per se. This part here was glued onto here, so I thought I got nothing to lose. I'll just take it apart and see what's inside. So it's got its circuit board. This is the control for the darkness, 9 to 13, right? And it's got 2 lithium batteries here, right? They're CR2330s. They're 3-volt batteries, and they got tabs on them, so it's not like they're, you know, the button cells you just pop in. So they're actually soldered on. This one is measuring 2.7 volts. It's supposed to be 3 volts, so that's not too bad. This one is measuring half a volt, so this battery's bad. So I have a choice: is I can buy a new welding helmet. They're cheap. They're like, I think they're on sale. I saw one for 60 bucks, and that, or I can fix these. Knowing me, I'm going to source these, see if I can get them, and just replace them. And that, it's I like the welding helmet. Very, it was a cheap one to start with, but cheap is my middle name. Thanks.